What's up guys? Choma here and welcome back to my channel. Guys, today gusto ko lang pag-usapan yung mga daily challenges, especially for us men. Alam mo naman na nagbabago na yung panahon and yung mga dating challenges nadadagdagan. Mas nagiging demanding na yung mundo para sa atin guys. And although most men would want to act passively na parang they don't care, by clicking this video, alam ko na isa ka dun sa mga tao na gustong patuloy na mag-improve. Yung bang tipo ng tao na laging dependable, well-composed, and ready sa kahit anong challenges that the day will bring. So for this video mga tol, ibibigay ko sa inyo yung top 9 things that every man should have para maging ready ka every day. So kung interesado ko malaman, let's hop into the video. So starting the list at number 1 guys are your power bank and your charging peripherals. Now alam naman natin na interconnected na yung mundo and you don't want to be left out just because wala ka ng battery sa phone, tablet, or laptop mo. Especially for those crucial times, for example, meron ka mga exams or in case for young professionals, may deadline ka for your projects. This will make sure na always kang productive and lagi kang connected. Okay, so a quick buying tip about power bank guys. Of course, i-prioritize mo yung mas malaki yung capacity, multiple slots para sabay-sabay mong ma-charge yung mga gamit mo, and yung tinatawag nila na pass-through charging. Ibig sabihin lang na itong pass-through charging is habang china-charge mo yung power bank mo sa wall outlet or sa kotse, simultaneously pwede mo i-connect yung mga ibang gamit mo. Tapos sabay na nagcha-charge yung power bank and china-charge na rin yung mga gamit mo at the same time. Unlike yung mga traditional power banks natin na walang pass-through charging, kailangan mo pang ma-full bat yung mismong power bank para lang i-charge yung mga low bat mo na gamit. So itong mga to guys, you can easily buy at Lazada or Shopee for about mga 300 to 400 pesos. Item number 2 guys is your perfume. No, hindi pwede mga baby cologne or Axe or Bench. Kasi alam mo naman na common yan and you will not stand out. Ang pro tip ko sa inyo, pumunta kayo sa mall, sa perfume section or yung mga kiosk sa labas para mas mura. Tapos mag-try kayo tig 3 or tig 4 each arm. Mag-ikot kayo sa mall for about 1 hour para humalo yung pheromones or yung own scent mo doon sa mismong perfume. That way, more or less, magkakaroon ka ng idea kung ano yung magiging distinct smell mo pag nag-react yung body pheromones mo doon sa mismong scent ng perfume. This way, next time na tumabi ka sa kanya, I'm sure na maaalala ka niya kasi hindi mo kasing amoy yung 99 other guys na katabi niya for the previous days. Number 3 is your Swiss knife, or if you're really conservative, yung non-bladed Swiss knife. So guys, self-explanatory to. By having this, you will be ready for anything. May Phillips, may flathead to do minor repairs, scissors, chane para in case may nasulod-sod or may nasalinsing ba yun, box cutters to open packages, up to bottle openers and cork removers in case you're having a picnic with your special someone. Romantic, di ba? So these ones are available online as well, pero you can also get them over the counter sa Ace Hardware or sa mga handyman or other DIY shops sa mga malls na malapit sa inyo. So just make sure you pick one para next time ready ka for anything. Coming at number 4 guys is your DOP kit or your men's grooming kit. So ito naman guys, counterpart ng Swiss knife. Kung meron ka pang ayos sa mga kung ano-anong bagay, meron ka rin pang ayos sa sarili mo. So in this, you should have at least yung lip balm para hindi crack lips, unscented face wipes para hindi ka pawis in between meetings or your classes. Madali ka makakapag parang hilamos kahit wala kang access sa tubig. A pomade for your hair because pomades are actually good for your hair since gawa sila sa shea butter and coconut oil. Sometimes even argan oil. Toothbrush, toothpaste, of course given na yan. Pero ang other use ng toothpaste is in case you spill something sa sarili mo, may natapon, madaling mong malilinis ka agad. Siyempre, alcohol to have clean hands. So this way, kahit sino yung makatabi mo, kahit sino yung makaharap mo, maka-meeting mo, or whatsoever, sigurado ka na you look nice, you smell fresh breath, diba? Clean hand, and this will make you very, very attractive. Item number 5 is your earphones. So I recommend earphones versus headphones kasi una, hindi halata, simple lang. Napaka-discreet ng design. Pangalawa, lightweight and compact, so sure ka na madadala mo kahit saan. And pangatlo, napaka-versatile. Even yung mga cheap ones, merong mic, so pwede mong gamitin to make and receive calls while on the go. Diba, ilang beses mo na na-experience yan na yung either nagko-commute ka, ang dami mong hawak, tapos may tumatawag sa'yo, or worse, nagdadrive ka tapos hindi mo mahagilap yung phone, may tumatawag. So by having these, napakadaling mag-take ng calls even on the go. So ang pro tip ko pa dito is you can use this not only to enjoy your favorite music, you can also use this to play your audiobooks or any further learning na gusto mo, like for example, listening to Gary V on your podcasts, and pwede mo rin tong pang playback ng mga meetings. So sure ka na wala kang namimiss out. So depende ko sa mo to nabibili, prices are about mga 300 to 1,000, but if you have the option, ang recommended pair ko is the Apple AirPods. Item number 6 are your shades. Guys, ang maganda naman dito sa shades, hindi lang siya protection for our eyes sa direct sunlight or UV light, it's also very stylish and nagko-compensate siya sa mga weak points ng facial structure natin. For example, if you have yung face shape na medyo angular, pwede kang pumili ng shades na medyo curved yung mga gilid. And vice versa, kung medyo pabilog yung ulo mo, pwede kang bumili ng shades na medyo sharp yung mga edges para maging more symmetrical and balanced and mas pleasant tignan, diba? By also wearing this, yung coolness factor mo from 6.5 nagiging 11. Alam na alam nyo to guys, kasi sa mga movies, diba, kung gusto nilang mag-portray ng character na mysterious, kumbaga medyo bad boy, anything na cool yung image, they always have a black pair of shades. So guys, subukan nyo to. Hindi nyo kailangan bumili ng mga Ray-Bans or any fashion brands. Just make sure lang na UV filter and polarized lens, you're good to go guys. Recommended styles ko para talagang hindi nawawala sa uso are your aviators, wayfarers, and club masters. Again, hindi kailangan Ray-Ban pero makakahanap ka ng mga affordable na shades na based yung design doon sa mga sinabi ko. Price range for any decent pair of shades are about 400 up to 800 pesos. So itry mo lang and sure na sure ako guys, hindi kayo magsisisi. Item number 7 is your folding umbrella. So guys, given na to, unfortunately or fortunately, we live in a tropical country, meaning laging umuulan. And syempre, hindi ko naman nire-recommend yung sobrang laki na payong unless you're into that look. Pero a nice automatic folding umbrella will make sure na lagi kang ready and lagi lang yan nasa bag mo in case na kailanganin mo. Maganda pa dito if you're dating someone, you're seeing someone, or you're courting someone. For girls guys, nothing beats yung pagiging romantic. Yung tipong from one building, lilipat kayo sa kabilang building, umuulan, tapos parang nakaakbay ka sa kanya habang pinapayungan mo siya. Napaka-gentleman-like, di ba? Number 9 guys is a must-have, especially if you're into fitness, is a protein shaker bottle. Now of course, ang given dito is you can use this for your supplements sa gym, and kung hindi ka nagbubuhat guys, dapat mag-start ka na. And pangalawa, this will keep you always hydrated. And alam naman natin na minsan may tendency napakamahal ng tubig sa cafeteria or sa canteen. Plus yung oras na nasayang mo, pipila ka pa or kailangan mo lumabas, when in fact, you can always have this ready. Ang recommended ko for this one is from GNC or any Smart Shake protein shakers. Price range niya is about mga 550 up to 1,000 pesos. Finally guys, item number 9 is your organizer. And no, hindi natin pinag-uusapan yung calendar or reminders app ng iPhone mo. But yung talagang formal organizer wherein you can write your goals and plans for the day. You can easily buy sa National Bookstore for about 100 to 150 pesos. So for me, even I'm a techie person, wala pa rin tatalo sa mga classic organizer wherein isusulat mo talaga yung mga key tasks mo for the day and pwede mong i-edit on a moment's notice. Kadalasan itong mga organizers na to ay may built-in calendars, notes, conversion table, and also list of public holidays dito sa Pinas para sure ka kung may pasok ba talaga, tuloy ba talaga yung meeting mo or yung lakad mo for that particular day. Ang pro tip ko pa dito guys, if you really want to take it into a higher level, make sure to identify kung sino yung mga importanteng person sa school mo, sa office work mo, tapos ilagay mo yung mga special dates nila dito. So in this case, kung meron mong significant life event na nangyayari sa kanila or anything that needs to be celebrated, ikaw yung unang-unang tao na may isip nila kasi ikaw yung unang bumate. This way, sigurado ako na mas magugustuhan kanila. So again, by doing these things guys, sure na sure ako na you will be able to conquer anything that your day has to offer. And again guys, yun yung 9 things that you need to have in order to conquer the day. Again, if you like this video mga tol, isang malupit na thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe down below. You can also check my other playlist for similar topics. Thank you guys for watching and also a special thanks sa aking 65 subscribers by the time na finifilm ko tong video na to. I really appreciate each and every one of you. Seryoso, salamat ng marami. In any case, Joe Mac here, your resident tech, fitness, and style guy. Have a great day ahead guys and peace out.